Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video I present to you some vintage style cottage decoration ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style cottage decor embraces a charming, nostalgic and a cozy aesthetic. Here are some key elements to help you achieve this look. Color palette. Use soft pastels, light pinks, blues, greens and yellows. Use neutral tones, whites, creams and beiges for a calming backdrop. Furniture. Antique and distressed pieces. Look for weathered wood, chippy paint finishes and well-loved items. Mix and match. Combine different styles and eras for an eclectic feel. Sleep-covered sofas and armchairs. Comfortable and easy to update with different fabrics. Fabrics and textiles. Use floral prints, roses and other soft floral patterns. Lac and crochet. Use for tablecloths, pillow covers and curtains. Coils and throws, layered for added warmth and texture. Accessories for vintage cottage. Vintage coins, old clocks, rotary phones and typewriters add charm. Mismatched china. Display on open shelving or in glass front cabinets. Messengers and bottles. Used for storage or as vases. Flooring, old floors, natural or painted in white or pastel colors. Rugs, soft, faded and often floral or oriental patterns. Walls, bedboard or shiplap adds a rustic, homey touch. Vintage wallpaper, delicate patterns in soft colors. Gallery wall, mix old frames, mirrors and artwork. Lighting, candelights, crystal or old iron for a touch of elegance. Table lamps with floral or black shades. Outer elements, wicker furniture for porches and patios. potted plants and herbs enhance the garden-like atmosphere. Incorporating these elements will help you create a warm and inviting vintage cottage atmosphere in your home. Here are some additional tips to further enhance your vintage style cottage decor. Decorative elements. Vintage mirrors. Use mirrors with ornate frames to reflect light and create a sense of space. Number 2. Vintage frames. Display old family photos or vintage art prints in antique frames. Number 3. Decorative platters. Hang decorative platters on walls for a unique vintage display. Number 4. Old books. Stack vintage books on coffee tables or shelves for an added antique touch. Let's kitchen decor. Number 1. Open shelving. Display vintage dishware, passengers, and rustic kitchen tools. Number 2. Retro appliances. Incorporate vintage style appliances in pastel colors or stainless steel. Number 3. Farmhouse sink. A large deep sink adds to the rustic charm. Number 4. Bathtub block countertops. Warm wood surfaces complement the vintage look. Let's bathroom ideas. Number 1. Clawfoot tub. A classic, elegant bathtub that evokes a vintage feel. Number 2. Pedestal sink. Simple yet stylish, perfect for a cottage bathroom. Number 3. Vintage fixtures. Use brush or porcelain hardware for an authentic touch. Floral shower curtains. Soft floral patterns keep the look cozy. Living room touches. Number 1. Built-in bookcases. Fill them with vintage books, knickknacks, and family heirlooms. Number 2. Fireplace mantle. Decorate with vintage candle holders, clocks, and picture frames. Number 3. Trunks and suitcases. Use old trunks and suitcases as coffee tables or storage. Let's bedroom accents. Number 1. Iron bed frames. Classic and timeless, perfect for a cottage bedroom. Number 2. Canopy beds. Add light, airy fabric to create a dreamy vintage look. Number 3. 3 antique dressers. Choose pieces with character and charm. Dye projects. Used upcycled furniture, refurbished old furniture with new paint, or distressing techniques. Handmade crafts, crochet doilies, knit blankets, or create your own vintage style art. Stencil walls or furniture, add a personal touch with vintage-inspired stencils. Seasonal decor, seasonal threads, use dried flowers and herbs for a vintage look. Holiday decorations, vintage ornaments, garlands, and candle holders for nostalgic feel. Incorporate nature. Giant flowers. Create arrangements with giant lavender, roses, or wildflowers. Potted plants. Use vintage pots and containers for houseplants. Herb gardens. Small indoor herb gardens add both beauty and functionality. By mixing these additional elements, you can create a layered and dynamic vintage cottage look that feels both nostalgic and cozy. Here are some extra tips to help you achieve a stunning vintage style cottage decor. Number 1. Use soft pastel like baby pink, baby blue, mint green, and buttery yellow. Number 2. Earthy neutrals such as beige, ivory, and cream for a calming base. Number 3. Use accents of warm tones like terracotta, mustard yellow, or rust for depth. Number 4. Seek out antique pieces with distressed finishes and own charm. Number 5. Mix and match furniture styles for an eclectic look. Number 6. Opt for pieces with tank legs, spindle backs, and intricate detailing. Number 7. Incorporate whitewashed or weathered wood furniture for a rustic touch. Number 8. Impress floral prints for curtains, upholstery, and bedding. Number 9. Layer vintage-inspired quilts, throws, and afghans for warmth and texture. Number 10. Use light tablecloths, doilies, and curtains to add a delicate touch. Choose natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool for authenticity. Number 12. Display vintage finds like old clocks, telephones, and cameras as decor pieces. Number 13. Arrange mismatched china teacups and saucers on open shelves or a vintage hutch. Number 14. Utilize messengers and vintage glass bottles as vases or storage containers. Number 15. Hang antique mirrors with ornate frames to reflect light and add depth. Number 16. Install candeliers with crystal or wood iron detailing for a touch of elegance. Number 17. Add vintage style sconces or wall mounted lanterns for ambient lighting. Number 18. Incorporate table lamps with floral or tassel adorned shades for cozy illumination. Number 19. Choose white plank hardwood floors for a timeless look. Number 20. Lay down vintage inspired rugs with faded floral or oriental patterns. Number 21. Consider whitewashed or distressed wood flooring for a rustic vibe. Number 22. Install baseboard or shiplap paneling for a cottage inspired backdrop. Number 23. Adorned walls with vintage wallpaper featuring delicate florals or geometric prints. Number 24. Create a gallery wall with antique frames, mirrors, and botanical prints. Number 25. Install open shelving to display vintage dishware and kitchen accessories. Number 26. Incorporate farmhouse sink with a traditional apron front for authentic charm. Number 27. Use vintage style appliances in pastel colors or stainless steel for a retro feel. Number 28. Hang a chalkboard or vintage inspired signet for a quiet touch. Arrange comfortable setting with slim covered sofas and round chairs. Decorate with cozy knit throws, embroidered pillows, and vintage style blankets. Incorporate a vintage trunk or steamer just as a coffee table or storage solution. Create a cozy reading nook with an overstuffed art chair and floor lamp. With these tips, you can create a charming vintage-style cottage decor that feels warm, inviting, and full of character. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.